What's up, everyone? Alex Casadel. Hey, this video, I want to give you some thoughts, ideas on how to market your freight brokerage. Let's get right into it. So, no special order. Let's take free advertisement, but you got to be careful. What is that? Platforms like Craigslist. Be very careful. And this is what I've done in the beginning of my freight brokerage and had both success and a company who tried to screw me over, but ultimately failed to do that. So just be careful. Craigslist, platforms like that. There are other platforms as well that you can pay to market your services as a freight broker. So now marketing your brokerage to your friends, family, who you know, who they know. All right, past jobs. Get as many email addresses as you can and contact names. So you can call, market your services, and then start building an email list that you're going to be sending email blasts once or twice a week. All right. That's where we're at. Yeah. Right. It used to be getting pieces of mail in the mailbox. Now it's email. So with this email list, you're going to be continuing to build this list forever in your freight brokerage because you're going to be adding to it and marketing your services by email once or twice a week. So you can also market your services on social platforms, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, right? LinkedIn, Twitter, any of these social platforms, it's free marketing for your business. Okay. So depending on your clientele and your prospects, they may have their own type of area where they hang out on the internet. So those are a couple ways how you can market your business. Other ways to market your business is through sponsorships. Depending on what market you're in, there's always buying a page or half the page of a newspaper, any type of sponsorship, and those are also good ways to get your name out there. It may cost you a little bit of money, $100 a page, something like that. But doing sponsorships like golf tournaments, sponsoring a hole, where your company is there on the tee box for everyone to see, every group that passes, but make sure it makes sense and you're in the proper market that it makes sense to do so. So these are some of the ways that you can market your services. Hope that video helps you. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I'm Alex Casadel. You guys take care. I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.